Following deaths of 3 children and a doctor's collapse, the Rajasthan government has ordered an investigation into all Kasan Pharma medicines. The first case was reported in Sikar when a 5-year-old boy died. Following this, 2 families from Bharatpur came forward claiming that their 2 children had also died in September after taking a similar medication and subsequently fainting. The alarmed government has banned all Kasan Pharma medicines and ordered a reinvestigation. The government refuses to accept that the Bharatpur children had died from cough syrup because the prescription did not state the name. When the NDTV team visited the children's villages, residents reported that the same medication is still available at government drug distribution centers. 5-year-old Nitish woke up once in the middle of the night after taking the cough syrup. He hiccuped, then went back to sleep. When he didn't wake up in the morning, his mother had taken him to the hospital. The doctor told the father that his child had died.
हम तो ये बोलना चाहेंगे कि देश भर के प्रदेश भर के काफ़ी बच्चे इस दवाई को लेंगे तो वो भी बीमार होंगे, मरेंगे भी, तो इस पे रोक लगे, इस पे कार्रवाई हो, सब लोग जागरूक हो इस दवाई के प्रति। तो बात ऐसी है कि इस दवाई के ऊपर थोड़ा सा सभी लोग सचेत हो। ये हम आज तो हमारा बच्चा गया, कल को किसी और का जाएगा।
In a government investigation, the medical department said that health officials will be suspended in the Sikar case.
मेरी बात सुनिए कि जो दवाइयाँ जो जिन माताओं ने अपने बच्चों को दी है वो हमारे सरकारी अस्पताल के ना तो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन से थी ना उनके रिकमेंडेशन थी। अब कोई भी माँ या कोई भी माँ बाप या कोई भी पेरेंट्स कहीं से दवाई लेके कोई अनप्रिस्क्राइब जाके दे देंगे और उससे ऐसा हादसा हो जाए, इसमें डिपार्टमेंट का कोई रोल नहीं है। इसका ये हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के दायरे से बाहर है।
Now the government has banned all medicines supplied by the company. In 2023 as well, Kasan was under scrutiny after a medicine supplied by it didn't meet safety standards. So how did this company get the tender again?
जो दवा जान बचाने वाली या बच्चों को ठीक करने के लिए बनाई गई थी, वो दवा जान लेने पर या बच्चों को बीमार करने पर उतारू हो गई। तो आप समझिए कि किस कदर ये खेल चल रहा था। और ये तस्वीर काइसन फार्मा की, एक बार फिर से कैमरामैन जसराज आपको दिखाएं। एनडीटीवी पर एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीरें हम दिखा रहे हैं। सन्ना डूंगर का ये रिको का एरिया है जो जयपुर के बाहरी इलाके में है और यहाँ पर इस वक्त कोई भी एक भी शख्स नहीं है।
NDTV's team returned to Bharatpur where the children died. Samrat's family said they'd obtained the syrup from a government center.
यही आपके जो हाथ में यही सिरप थी?
हाँ, यही सिरप थी। ये 3 सिरप देते मेरे को।
Not just the family, questions are being raised by the BJP about the issue.
The Rajasthan government has blacklisted Kasan Pharma, the company believed to be behind the deaths by spurious cough syrup supplied to children. The government says that only 1 child in Sikar was prescribed the cough syrup. But NDTV's on-ground investigation has found that most of the parents who went to government dispensaries came back home with the cough syrup and their children died after consuming that. And at the same time, unanswered questions remain about how the drug controller tweaked rules to benefit pharma companies.
Action has been taken against the pharma company after the deaths of children after consuming cough syrup. The question is, how did it get the tender again when there were irregularities found earlier? Was there an attempt to benefit certain companies by changing the rules? Sushant Parikh from Jaipur, Lalitesh from Bharatpur, Harsha Kumari Singh with Kushwaha report for NDTV.